Implementing AdSense section targeting. Hey there everyone! There are certain parts of your website that might be affecting how effectively you are serving your ads, as well as their relevance. This is because sometimes the Google algorithm ends up targeting keywords that are not relevant to your site's content or to your visitors' interests. That is why Google devised a technical solution called section targeting, which is a mechanism that helps the algorithm to better target the right type of content to serve the most relevant ads. Section targeting works by indicating to the Google algorithm what type of content it should take as context to serve your ads. In other words, it indicates in which parts of your site it will be more likely to find the right type of keywords to target. And the way this mechanism works is through a couple of markers that you'll use to enclose sections of your content. More specifically, that you will use to tell the algorithm where your content starts and where your content ends. To apply section targeting on your site, you'll have to start on your WordPress dashboard. From there, you'll have to hover over the Appearance tab on the left-hand menu, and then to click on the Editor option. Once in the Code Editor, you will need to locate your theme's content function or the content function. Where it is located will depend on your particular theme. In our case, we are going to click on the content.php tab to locate our content function. We are going to scroll down until we locate the line of code that reads. Once you locate this line of code, you have to enclose it between the two section targeting tags. The section targeting tag that precedes the content function is. The section targeting tag that closes the content function is. Once you have enclosed the content function in between both section targeting tags, you will simply have to click on Update File. And that's it. This strategy will help you to get more clicks and to increase revenue because it will increase the number of relevant ads served on your site. Next up, we will be talking about placement targeting implementation, so make sure to tune in.